Hi everyone, to
Hello, ma'am.
listening to us. Hi Anmol. Hi Anmol, how are you?
I'm great, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good too Anmol. सभी दर्शकों को मेरा प्रणाम. To all the viewers who are listening to us, I welcome you with a warm regards. I welcome you here on this session that I have with Anmol Saxena. Anmol Saxena, he's a graduate from, he's BCom graduate from Sri Aurobindo College, Delhi University, and he has been pursuing PGDM. He is also the class representative of 81, 83 students, and he has the hobbies to sing, play cricket, reading self-help books in free time. So, Anmol, thanks for joining on this session. And this session, actually, the aim of this session is to understand what are the problems being faced by these students, what all a student goes through while making career choices, while thinking of an education, right? What education to take, what career to pursue, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
confusions a student goes through. What are the problems?
Okay. Okay, right, ma'am. So, if I talk about the confusions, ma'am, what a student faces, right? Considering to my personal example, ma'am, when I was in 10th standard, right? Not a very good student in study. Ma'am, I can speak in Hindi, na? It's okay, na?
Yes, 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 yes.
Right, right, right. So, ma'am, पढ़ाई लिखाई में I used to be very, medium kind of a boy. And what I see as a major challenge to today's students, ma'am, they are unplanned. They're not planned what they have to do.
Okay.
Moreover, I can say that they are influenced by the society itself,
Mm-hmm.
by the neighbors, by the relatives. And considering to my self example, my brother, just elder to me, he
Mm-hmm.
was pursuing engineering, right?
Mm-hmm.
So my parents just told me that look at your brother, he's into engineering, and there is a lot of scope into it, and you must go to pursue
Also
that
do.
particular,
Right. You
right,
must also do
engineering.
engineering. Right, right.
Yes, yes, yes. And ma'am, this is a normal scenario. If I consider it in a middle class family,
Right.
you were never asked that what you want to do. You are always
Right.
told that you can do this, right?
Right.
So same goes with me. My parents said that I we want you to become a software engineer, but I know what my potential was,
Mm-hmm.
and I scored 60% in 10th, and somehow I got into commerce, right?
Okay.
Not because I was sure that what I will be getting in future. Believe you
Right.
me, when I was in 10th, I don't know what commerce will give to me in future. But
Yeah.
yes, because majority of people were into commerce, what I was listening from my friends and all, that commerce has a lot of scope. Although I don't know what scope commerce has when I was
Means
in 10th.
what scope means and what
Yes,
scope. Okay, okay.
right. Matlab, I was totally unaware of it.
Hmm.
But considering some of my friends' reviews, one of my relatives,
Hmm.
and my parents, I went to, opt for commerce without maths, right? So such was a state of confusion, ma'am, when I consider myself at a very, 10 standard. I was
Yeah.
literally confused. I was nothing, nothing was decided actually. It was like a boat in a river, है ना, with no one, um, कोई चला नहीं रहा उस boat को, and it's
Yeah.
like it is floating, right?
Yeah.
So same
Right.
was the situation with me, ma'am, and majority students I feel, faces the same challenge. They don't have a
Yeah.
goal. They are not focused to it, right? So that is the problem what I want to just point it out as far as a 10th class student is concerned.
Right. Right. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Anmol, that means your parents wanted you to take engineering, okay, to take science, and you took BCom, right? You took commerce without knowing what will be the future prospects of it, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
what else? What else? Where in life, where else you had such dilemmas? What to do in future? Like,
Ma'am, I can correlate it when I was in 12th,
yeah.
right? when I was in 12th, because it is like na कि you live the life uh, on based of decisions you choose, on the
Right.
basis of decisions you make, right?
Perfect.
Because
Perfect.
I decided that I'll go for commerce, so it was quite mandatory for me that I have to study commerce in 11th and 12th,
Mhm.
right? So when I was in 12th, ma'am, I just I just always wanted to be in DU, because there is a fascination kind of a thing that being a Delhi University student, life will be amazing, right? And I
Yeah.
used to see my friends that they are in Delhi University and they are enjoying bunking classes and whatever the Delhi University guys do. So
Yeah.
it was a fascination for me, right? And when I was in 12th, ma'am, I got to know that if you want to be in DU and if you are in a general category, you have to score 90%.
Okay.
So basically that was a fear, fear of me, that what if I didn't score 90%, I will not be able to get DU.
Right. Right.
So out of that fear, sometimes what happens is either that fear make you work or the gain make you work, right?
Hmm.
It is the fear, it is the pain or the gain, right?
Right. Right.
So what if I consider myself, so it was the pain, two pain, what which I want to mention, ma'am. And what I feel is that every middle class student, every middle class boy pursuing 12th has.
Hmm.
First
Hmm.
was that I'll miss the DU fun,
Right. Right.
right? Because it was an image in my mind that after 12th life will be easy and life will be amazing, I will be in
Right.
DU, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
second was, ma'am, right, I belong to a middle class family, and somehow in my back mind I know that if I didn't crack Delhi University, right,
Hmm.
then my parents have to pay a hefty amount of money for my admission in some private college.
Hmm.
So that was a fear for me, why I scored 90% in 12th, right?
Okay.
Dilemma,
That is what
dilemma.
made you work for 90% in 12th. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because you had an image you wanted to go into DU. You saw yourself in DU, right? Okay.
Right, ma'am.
So you got 90% Anmol?
Yes, ma'am. I scored 90% in 12th,
Hmm.
and I was into Delhi University, Sri Aurobindo College, just next to
Okay.
Malvinagar Metro Station,
Okay.
and that was a dream of mine. I must say, right, because it's a dream of it is a dream of every student. What I feel is,
Hmm.
right. So, ma'am, even we used to see in movies that how your college life is, how your
Hmm.
college life would be,
Hmm.
right? So every youth, if I'm understanding it right, so
Hmm.
he can connect himself to that life in DU itself,
Right.
especially Delhi guys, if I talk about,
Uh,
right? So that was the day that when I scored 90, I got admission in Delhi University. My parents was very happy that
hmm.
I scored such a good percentage, being a middle class, not a
Hmm.
very good student, brilliant student in
Yeah.
studies.
Right.
So it was uh, it was a very memorable moment. I can easily recall that day in my life when I saw my result and I was not able to believe on it. Right.
Yeah.
So I think
So
it is a yes, ma'am.
even when you see your siblings who are elder to you and they are in college, okay, and you feel that they are really enjoying life, they are having a real fun time, okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
elder brother or sister or your cousins, okay, and when you see them, so you really want to reach to their age, right? Because maybe I will have more fun when I'm in college and when I'm in DU, right? So this is how we all think. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We usually, compare ourselves. We always want to see ourselves at a better place, right?
Right.
और वही बात है कि सामने वाले की थाली में आपको आम बड़ा ही दिखता है, बेशक आपका खुद
Hmm.
का बड़ा हो,
Yeah. The
right? So
grass is always
I
greener on the other side. Yes.
yes, ma'am. The grass is always greener on the other side,
Right.
and so that was a fascination for me, and
Hmm.
finally I got into it. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Anmol, did you face that problem in life wherein who should decide on your career and what career you should take? Whether the parents should decide or you should decide. Okay. तो क्या ये डिलेमा हमेशा रहा कि स्टूडेंट्स की लाइफ में ये रहती है प्रॉब्लम कि कौन डिसाइड करेगा करियर बच्चे का?
Ma'am, it's like it depends on what family you are in,
Yeah,
right?
right.
Matlab, it cannot be same for everyone, right, many a times, we see that, the parents are the decision takers, right? And they force students to do what they want that particular student to do, right?
Right.
Right. And many a times what happens is that student becomes, in pressure. Students usually takes pressure and they are not able to perform on it. But
Yeah.
as far as my story is concerned, ma'am, my parents are quite, open minded, and they were happy that I went to the university and I opted for BCom. You know
Right.
what?
Right.
Why I'm saying this, ma'am? When you grow a bit, you become quite mature, and moreover, education. If I talk about, there are not many options. But after 12th, there are not n number of options, ma'am. There are few options only. Either you can go for CA, either you can CMA, CS.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
So options are not many, and yes, ma'am, that dilemma was there in my few friends' life. They were not able to opt for what they wanted,
Yeah.
and today, if I talk about, they are not as much happy. Why they're not as much happy? Because it's like, now when you take some decision, you don't blame others.
Yeah. Right.
And if anyone
Very true.
others and if any other person is taking decisions of your life, there is always a blame game, you can play with yourself and that particular person, that it is because
Right.
of you and it is because of your decision I'm here.
Yeah.
So I'll always say that, take decisions of your life, and bear the fruits
Whatever
and the pain.
decisions, so whatever decisions are being taken, okay, so ultimately
Yes, ma'am.
you are involved in it. So if you have agreed for it, that means you are equally responsible for it, right, Anmol?
Yes, ma'am. You have to take the responsibility. Yes, ma'am. And
Accountability and responsibility. Perfect.
accountability. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Even I'll
Yeah.
say that, involved parents, they know much better than you. They are more mature than you. My message is not to just eliminate them and do whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
Matlab, consider their parents for sure.
राइट देखो अनमोल, चाहे
Yes.
चाहे करियर क्या चूज करना है या एजुकेशन क्या चूज करनी है, इसका जो डिसीजन है, चाहे पेरेंट्स लें या बच्चा ले या दोनों मिलकर लें, है ना, अल्टीमेटली क्या है कि एवरीबडी वांट्स यू टू बी हैप्पी, राइट? सो पेरेंट्स
Yes, ma'am.
want you to be happy, you also want to pursue something wherein you are enjoying it, right? This is the
Right, ma'am.
aim. Okay. So, Anmol, who should be guiding it to the students, or whom should you approach for this guidance? कि क्या क्या career options available है, या मुझे मेरा passion क्या है? What is that I will enjoy doing? What is that I will love doing? And I make money also, because ultimately money is also important, right? So making
Right, ma'am.
money
Right.
out of it. Okay. So I'm meeting my daily, okay, necessities. I'm making my bread out of it. Yeah. So whom to approach for guidance? Whom can
Quite
you?
a difficult question. It's quite a difficult question,
Yeah.
and there is a right word. I want to just quote it out. There is there should be a mentor in your life, right? And what a mentor is a person whom you admire, right? Whom you always like to be, right? So if you're having a mentor and you are true to it, right? So you can discuss anything regarding your life, right? And that mentors can be your elder brother. It can
Right.
be it can be anyone, right? It can be your seniors. It can be your father's friend, right? Whom you admire, right? Whom you want to be like, as a person or as a financial status, whatever I'm talking about. So that is very much required. And I'm coming to the next part of your question, that something which you like to do and you make money out of it, right?
Yeah.
So what I want to answer to this is, you need to explore yourself. You need to
अनमोल,
explore
कितने
yourself.
साल कितने साल लगा दोगे एक्सप्लोर करने में, एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन करने में, कि ये चीज पसंद है? पहले 3 साल सपोज बीकॉम,
So
उसके बाद लगा कि अरे नहीं, आर्ट्स, फाइन आर्ट्स करनी थी, या सपोज 3 साल मेडिकल, 4 साल मेडिकल कर ली, फिर उसके बाद लगा कि मेडिकल में तो पॉसिबल, आई एम सो अफ्रेड ऑफ इट, सो नाउ यू गेट इनटू डेंटिस्ट्री. मतलब you find a way out of it and escape from what you have been doing, right? और बहुत लोगों के साथ तो ऐसा होता है अनमोल, once they are into some profession, किसी job में जब आते हैं, then they start realizing no, I am, मतलब they are holding their heads, right, that I am not meant for this job. Okay, or maybe even after years of a job and it starts sucking you. Okay, so you get really pissed off out of it. So तो क्या एक्सप्लोर ही करते रहेंगे, क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट ही करते रहेंगे
uh,
और फिर
ma'am,
फेल,
I'll definitely
और फेल हो कर सीखेंगे, ठीक है, बार बार
uh,
एनकाउंटर
yes ma'am,
करेंगे और फिर सीखेंगे. दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन. या
right. Ma'am, I'll definitely answer to you on this. First of all, if I said you to explore yourself, right, that is to a limited period of time. You need to explore yourself. You know what, ma'am, what is the scenario in India, if I consider, is everyone wants to be safe, everyone wants to play safe,
राइट.
but what I consider is playing safe is the biggest risk. You know, playing safe is the biggest risk. And why I am considering it is that everyone studies. You know, if I talk to my friend that why are you studying, it is a general question to one person, one of my friend, that bhai tu pad kyun raha hai, right? And the question to the answer to the question is even he don't know that why he is studying, you know.
बिल्कुल, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है अनमोल कि भाई तुमने ये कोर्स चूज क्यों किया, व्हाई आर यू डूइंग पीजीडीएम, और व्हाई आर यू डूइंग
Right.
बीए, और व्हाई आर यू डूइंग बायोटेक्नोलॉजी और बीकॉम, कुछ भी, तो तुम ये पढ़
Yes ma'am.
रहे हो, राइट.
पढ़ ही क्यों रहे हो? And ma'am, you know, moreover, that majority people, you know, don't know what the answer is. They don't know why they are studying.
राइट.
And the people who know, their purpose is to get a job, right? And people are doing job which actually is not providing them happiness, but yes, they are doing it, है ना? Because they have some responsibilities to do. What I feel is, right? So my answer is, it is very simple, ma'am. You just need to find one thing which makes you feel happy, right? One thing which makes you feel happy, which you enjoy doing. Why? Because that particular profession is what you have to spend your most of the time,
Exactly, right.
right? So first thing that is very important is your particular profession should be something that makes you happy. Next thing, if any case it is not, you know, making you happy, that it is, जैसे एक छोटा सा मैं एग्जांपल दूंगा, अगर शाहरुख खान की मूवी फ्लॉप हो गई तो वो क्रिकेट खेलना शुरू नहीं करेगा, यस और नो? अगर सचिन तेंदुलकर 0 पे आउट हो गया तो he will not start singing, he will stick to that profession.
Yeah.
Right.
Shah Rukh Khan started with Byju's, okay? So he switched into a better profession, maybe.
Ma'am, that is basically brand endorsements and advertising. You know, that is something different. But what I want to say is, if you're switching your profession, if you think that, you know, switching your profession will get you success, एक बच्चा जो कि जेम्स कालका जी में एडमिशन लिया और मैम वो अपने कोर्स में फेल हो गया, इट इज नॉट लाइक कि वो बच्चा एमआईटी में जाके पास हो जाएगा,
राइट.
यस और नो? अगर वो जेम्स में फेल हुआ तो वो एमआईटी में भी फेल होगा. तो व्हाट आई वांट टू जस्ट से इज, switching your profession will not get you results. It is like improving yourself, constantly working on yourself, and making a clear goal that what you want to achieve in life in a very particular period. If it is clear to you, right, then you can achieve something and which will get you income also. Right. So ma'am, that was my answer to the question. And if I talk in today's scenario, you know, there are a lot of, you know, middle class people are not open to opportunities. You know, as I quoted in the very beginning, that people want to play safe, and being safe is the biggest risk nowadays. Right. So Mother, that was my viewpoint to your answer, which you questioned me, ma'am.
So,
And you know, there was,
what are the
yes, ma'am.
problems that the students go through? That is my question. What problems the student goes through?
Ma'am, keeping it very simple, you know, if a student, so what will happen is he will stay frustrated. You know, he's frustrated. He's not happy. You know, pressure. He will start taking pressure, है ना? And ultimately what will happen is, there will be many health problems. Phase, if he doesn't improve himself, there is a sequence of problem. Every problem is interconnected. If you're not happy, you will start having health issues. Diabetes, sugar, and a lot of problems, ma'am, people are having nowadays due to stress. Stress is a basic reason for many health medical problems. My mother works in a hospital, and many people having sugar and diabetes are due to stress.
Very true. Very true.
With times, ma'am, if I talk about, people have lost their jobs. And that particular job for which they were working, they were studying through years, since years, right? They lost their job in just seconds. And here, that is basically, you are just welcoming stress in your life, and that is the basic problem, ma'am, which I want to just mention out, which student faces. What I feel is.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Anmol, it was really nice talking to you, because you have really what you have focused on. One that is very important that you're focused upon is to work on the self. Changing colleges or changing institutions may not help, right? So what is
Yes, ma'am.
important is one should really work upon oneself. Okay, and second, what you said is that the students should actually pursue their passion. Okay, what they
Yes,
enjoy most is more important, rather than do what everybody else is saying, maybe their friends, relatives, or the family members are saying. Okay, so you think that passion is very important for the students to pursue.
yes, ma'am.
Right? The other problems that the students face are whom to approach to. So you have said that every student should actually have a mentor, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Every person should actually have a mentor in life, wherein whom they can talk to, and who they see as their ideal. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
whom they want to be actually. Okay, so, and from that person, the student should, or the youth should actually take guidance. Okay, so these are the insights that have come from you, Anmol, and I think it was wonderful listening to you. Thank you for bringing up these challenges that the students are actually going through, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
rightly said that, um, we always feel that the grass is greener on the other side. So it is better not to compete, right, with others, and to work on oneself, right?
Yes, ma'am. Right. Absolutely.
So, and so, all anything else, Anmol, that you would like, one last thing that you would like to say to all these two?
Ma'am, definitely, I would just like to conclude on the note that, winners never quit, and quitters never win. So just focus on winning rather than quitting.
Right, right.
That's it.
Thank you, Anmol. Thanks a lot. So, what you said, beginners never quit and quitters never begin. I really like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks for joining.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.